Have you ever heard of miracle leaf? If you haven't, keep watching this video. This leaf is indeed miraculous. It has numerous health benefits. The reason I'm making this video is because of what I found out about this leaf this morning. No, I plucked this leaf so that I could use it over a week ago, but I ended up not using them. So normally when I pluck this leaf, I try to use them so that it doesn't go bad. And when I see this white part coming out, I just discard them because I will say it's not useful anymore. It's dead. I would just think it's dead normally. Only for me to find out this morning that this leaf was is not dead. It's actually bringing out plants, like it's growing out. I was surprised. I never knew this. If you know the health benefits it also offers that many of us don't know, please let us know in the comment section.